This video features standard and variation cooking steps. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current meal sauce kit will be replaced by our innovative transformation all-in-one complete sauce. With our convenient, easy-to-use complete sauce for chili crab, you can now prepare chili crab in 7 easy steps. Chili crab is a wok-fried succulent crab in a zesty and flavorful tomato and chili base. In this video, we will show you how to prepare chili crab as well as chili crab pasta. Let's start with the chili crab. Here are the ingredients you need. You may also use other shellfish or seafood such as crayfish or lobster. Watch till the end to learn how to clean and prepare crab. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Heat cooking oil on high heat. Sprinkle corn flour on crab pieces and mix. Add the crab pieces into wok and fry both sides till fragrant. Add water to the leftover corn flour. Mix and set aside for use later. Step 2. Add in the Prima Taste Chili Crab Complete Sauce. Mix well to coat the crab evenly. Step 3. Pour water around the edge of the wok and place crab shell on top. Cover for 1 minute to bring mixture to boil. Add crab juice and cook for another 1 minute. Step 4. Mix well to allow even cooking. Cover and continue to cook for 2 minutes. Step 5. Push the crab shell into sauce. Then cover and cook for another 2 minutes. Step 6. Add in the corn flour water and mix well. Step 7. Add the lightly beaten egg and cook for 6 seconds. Mix to coat the crab with gravy. And the chili crab is ready. Best served with mantou and crusty bread. Not only is our complete sauce convenient and easy to use, it is also value for money, offering an average savings of about 28% as compared to other food outlets. Next, we will show you how to prepare chili crab pasta. Here are the ingredients you will need to prepare chili crab pasta. You may obtain the crab roe from deshelling the whole crab. Watch till the end to learn how to prepare steamed crab roe, crab stock and steamed crab meat. You may use any spaghetti. We recommend using San Remo spaghetti. Let's start with the spaghetti preparation. Step 1. Bring water to high boil and cook spaghetti. Pre-cook the spaghetti 3 to 4 minutes less than the recommended time on the packaging. Then drain and drizzle with olive oil. Mix well to prevent sticking. Leave the spaghetti to cool at room temperature. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Add olive oil and garlic. Fry on high heat till fragrant. Add crab roe and continue frying till fragrant. Step 2. Add in the white wine. Followed by Prima Taste Chilli Crab Complete Sauce. Stir fry to mix well. Step 3. Add crab stock. Mix well. Cover and bring to boil. Step 4. Add spaghetti into pan and stir well. Toss the spaghetti for approximately 3 minutes or until the sauce thickens slightly. Step 5. Turn off heat and plate spaghetti. Step 6. Bring sauce to a low boil and add crab meat. Scoop sauce over crab meat and cover pan for approximately 10 seconds. Step 6. Add in a lightly beaten egg and let it cook for 6 seconds before mixing the sauce. Scoop crab meat onto spaghetti, followed by the sauce. Delicious chili crab pasta is ready to serve. Isn't it easy? Try it today. We will now show you how to clean and prepare crab and crab juice. Step 1. Soak crab in ice-cold water until it stops moving. Remove crab from the water and clean the shell thoroughly using a brush. Step 2. Cut away the tip of the legs. Remove apron flap from the underside of the crab and pull body away from shell. Cut sides of shell to loosen for ease of pulling. You may use a paper towel to hold the crab as the crab shell can be sharp. Step 3. Remove stomach sac from the shell. Keep the shell and roe for cooking. Trim off the sharp edges of the shell. Step 4. Remove gills from the body. Clean the crab thoroughly again using a brush. Step 5. Cut off the pincers and cut the body into 4 pieces. Then cut the pincers into 2. Crack the shell of the pincers slightly. Step 6. Place crab pieces into a bowl to collect the crab juice. Next, we will show you how to clean and prepare crab for chili crab pasta. Step 1. Soak the crab in ice-cold water until it stops moving. Remove from water and clean the crab thoroughly using a brush. Step 2. Add salt to water. Stir until salt is completely dissolved and pour over the crab. Steam for 15 minutes. Step 3. Remove crabs and set crab stock aside. Step 4. Remove crab shell and trim off the gills. Pick out crab roe and set aside. Step 5. Deshell the crab and it's ready to use. Check out our website for more cooking videos.